Hey YouTube, it's Sean. This is part 2 of this stovetop repair, rust repair. And I decided to go, after I got my drill in there and started digging at that rust, and found out she was worse than anticipated. But so I just yarded her apart, and I got all the burners here on the table, all 4 of them. But I just took some tape and put over all the where the fuel comes to the jet for the jets. But I got to clean all this up, and I want to paint the whole underneath that stovetop we looked at before in episode 1, part 1. This is the bottom, the floor of the stove. I'm going to go in here and clean all this up. I'm going to paint all this as well. I'm going to get some of this rust, to get so that it won't get oxygen and it can't spread. Let's get it taken care of now. Be easier. But let's see the stovetop, YouTube. Let's go out in the backyard. But yeah, I've been cleaning on that, and that was way worse than we anticipated. When I took a first glance at it, I thought, it's pretty solid. But as soon as I hit it with a wire brush, you know how that works. Things start happening. Well, it required some welding and some grinding, but I got it all welded up, filled in, real nice there. Still got to grind off the back, but I got it welded up. I'm going to get rid of all this rust. This is the back side. They didn't even paint the back side of this pan, and this is going to be completely coated. Excuse me, YouTube. But in the first episode, or first part 1, I had a gentleman correct me on the this is Underwriters Laboratory of Canada, not Underlisters. So I was wrong on that one. And anyway, I took the tag completely off. It was just a couple rivets, and I'm just going to put it back when I'm done, right there. No problem. But that way I can get paint underneath the tag. So there we go, YouTube. That's what we're doing. We're going to clean all that up. We're going to get some paint on it. That's part 1. Excuse me, that's part 2 of the rust repair. But yeah, I want to get this ground down, flat. But I got all that rust out of there and just filled it real good. And now we're just going to clean it up, and we're going to get all this rust away. And as you can see, the bottom of that pan was never painted. I'm surprised it didn't rust worse than it is. And it's not stainless steel, it's just plain old steel. But they painted the top. Well, I guess if you want to call that paint, it was very thin. It's very thin. But yeah, getting the metal integrity better before I go anywhere with the rust, or excuse me, with the paint. Gonna get all this metal integrity taken care of first. Alright, YouTube, there's part 2, and you guys take care of yourselves. And this may be more than 3 parts, we're not sure, but we'll see how we go. Thanks, guys. Bye.